Number 1.
1992 Ford F150, price $8,900. It has approximately 133,000 miles on the odometer and is equipped with an automatic transmission, a red exterior with a gray interior, and runs on gasoline. It features the desirable 4.9L 300 straight-six engine and a long bed configuration, making it both durable and practical. The truck has had 2 owners, and the second owner recently completed a full mechanical and functional refresh. This included new window actuators, serviced air conditioning, a new distributor, and new weather seals. It also comes with power windows and power locks, and it runs and drives beautifully, with everything functioning exactly as it should. Inside, the cabin is in excellent condition, with no rips or tears, no cracks on the dashboard, and a tight, clean headliner. The exterior is also in exceptional condition, complemented by good tires, making the truck visually appealing and well cared for overall. The vehicle is being sold with temporary tags and inspection included, making it ready for immediate use.
Number 2.
1995 Ford F150, price $10,000. It has 114,000 miles on the odometer and features an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and runs on gasoline. It comes equipped with 4x4 capability with worn hubs, a 5.0L engine, cold air conditioning, power windows and locks, cruise control, dual fuel tanks, a Class 3 hitch, and a drop-in bedliner, making it a well-rounded and highly functional truck. Within the last 2,500 miles, the owner has completed an extensive list of maintenance and new parts. This includes a full set of Goodyear Wrangler Trail Runner tires, new front and rear shocks, updated front brake calipers, pads, and hoses, as well as new rear brake shoes, hardware, and wheel cylinders. It also received new window motors, a timing cover gasket, front crank seal, idler pulley, serpentine belt, and a new AC line with fresh O-rings.
Number 3.
1992 Ford F150, price $7,000. This truck shows approximately 134,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission, offering a smooth and reliable driving experience. The truck sports a burgundy exterior that remains in good condition, complemented by a clean gray interior that has been well cared for over the years. Powered by a strong 302 engine, it runs great and reflects consistent maintenance from its previous owner. The paint presents nicely, and the interior retains its original charm, making this F-150 a well-preserved example of Ford's classic early -90s design. Overall, it stands as a clean, stylish, and dependable truck that continues to perform and look as it should.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 3500, price $10,000, equipped with a robust 350 V8 engine that delivers reliable performance. Over the past year, it has received several important maintenance updates, including a new battery, fuel tank, injectors, spark plugs and wires, and a new radiator, each contributing to smoother operation and improved overall drivability. Mechanically, the truck runs strong and remains a solid platform for both work and daily use. The only noted item it currently needs is a new muffler, making it a straightforward and manageable fix for the next owner. Overall, this Chevy 3500 stands as a well-maintained, durable option for anyone seeking power, capability, and long-term utility.
Number 5.
1993 GMC 1500, price $8,800, well-preserved example of a classic GMC Sierra, showing approximately 150,000 miles on the odometer. It is equipped with a manual transmission paired with a strong 5.7L V8 engine, giving it the traditional stick-shift driving experience that many enthusiasts appreciate. The truck features a striking red exterior complemented by a matching red interior, both of which have been kept in good overall condition. Running on gasoline, this short bed model also includes power windows, well-maintained paint, and an interior that has been carefully looked after over the years. It rides on a solid set of tires, further reflecting the owner's consistent upkeep. Altogether, this 1993 GMC Sierra presents as a clean, mechanically sound, and visually appealing truck that has been thoughtfully maintained.
Number 6.
1998 Ford Ranger, price $3,500, equipped with a dependable 3.0L V6 engine and a 5-speed manual transmission, giving it the classic driving feel that many truck enthusiasts appreciate. With approximately 179,781 miles on the odometer, it has been driven regularly but remains functional. The truck comes in a clean black exterior paired with a brown interior, offering a simple yet practical cabin suited for daily use. As a gasoline-powered, two-wheel drive model, it provides straightforward performance that makes it easy to maintain and ideal for light-duty tasks. While the truck currently has a check engine light on, it still runs and drives, showing that its core mechanical components are operational.
Number 7.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, shows 92,000 original miles and comes equipped with an automatic transmission, a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, and a gasoline-powered 4.3L engine. The truck is a patina-style 1994 Silverado, known for its naturally weathered look that adds character and authenticity. Despite its age, it runs exceptionally well, supported by a solid drivetrain and a set of great wheels and tires that enhance both its stance and road performance. The body carries a genuine aged patina that will shine even more once given a proper polish, making it an appealing choice for enthusiasts who appreciate vintage originality. Inside, the matching blue cabin maintains a classic look that complements the truck's overall style. Mechanically, the truck is in good condition, with smooth acceleration and responsive handling, and only requires a new AC compressor for the air conditioning system to operate.
Number 8.
1995 Chevrolet 2500, price $4,300. It has approximately 220,000 miles on it and features an automatic transmission, a black exterior with a red interior, and runs on gasoline. Mechanically, it would benefit from a new passenger side manifold gasket, but it still runs and drives well, offering hot heat and cold air conditioning. Unlike many Chevys of this age, it is not plagued by typical rust issues. There are no holes, only some paint bubbling on the driver's side corner is shown in the photos.
The passenger side is not perfect but remains in good condition.
The driver's door has a noticeable dent, and the bed also has a dent that may be reparable. A replacement driver's side door is included, along with the lead for the passenger door and hood if needed. Overall, it has strong potential and remains a solid work truck.
Number 9.
1974 Chevrolet C10, price $7,000, features an automatic transmission and a burgundy exterior. The truck runs and drives, although it will require some work before it becomes fully roadworthy.
The mounting area for the left fender needs to be welded back, and the front end currently uses fiberglass fenders.
It is equipped with ladder bars and coilovers, along with a 10-inch rear end fitted with 33-inch tires that show some rub marks but still hold air without issues. The bed has been tubbed cleanly, and its overall condition is straight. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a 383-stroker with an Eagle rotating assembly. It will need a new carburetor, but the seller can start it so buyers can hear it run, and the engine itself sounds very solid.
Number 10.
1988 GMC Sierra, price $4,000, shows 174,000 miles of use and is equipped with an automatic transmission, making it comfortable for everyday driving. Finished in a red exterior with a matching red interior, the truck maintains a classic late 80s look that enthusiasts appreciate. Powered by a 5.7-liter V8 engine and built in a long bed configuration, it offers strong capability for hauling and utility work. The owner reports that it runs and drives reliably, and it has recently been fitted with brand new tires on all sides, adding confidence on the road. Despite its age, the truck keeps its original charm with manual windows and manual door locks, preserving the authentic feel of an old-school GMC.